YouTube SEO is crucial for video creators. It helps your content get discovered by the right audience. Better SEO means more views, engagement, and subscribers. Applying SEO can set your channel apart. Simply uploading videos isn't enough. Ensure your content is visible in search results. This leads to higher click-through rates and more watch time. Optimizing helps YouTube recommend your content. Effective SEO can significantly impact your channel's performance. The foundation of YouTube SEO is keywords. Keywords help YouTube understand your video's content. Start by researching relevant keywords for your niche. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or YouTube's own search bar to find popular terms. Once you've identified your keywords, incorporate them into your video. Place them in your title, description, and tags. This tells YouTube what your video is about. For example, if your video is about vegan recipes, make sure those words appear in the key areas. Your video's title is crucial. It should be catchy and include your main keyword. A good title grabs attention and tells viewers what to expect. Similarly, your description should be detailed, include keywords naturally, and provide value to the viewer. Tags are also important. They help YouTube categorize your video. Use a mix of broad and specific tags. Think of tags as additional clues that guide YouTube's algorithm. They help the platform show your video to the right audience. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see. A compelling thumbnail can significantly increase your video's CTR. Design custom thumbnails that are clear and attractive. Use high-quality images and readable text. A good thumbnail complements your title and piques interest. Your title should be both informative and engaging. Incorporate your main keyword, but keep it natural. Avoid clickbait as it can lead to high bounce rates. Instead, focus on creating a title that accurately represents your content. This builds trust with your audience. Descriptions are your opportunity to provide context. Write detailed descriptions that include your keywords. Explain what your video is about and why viewers should watch it. Include links to related content and your social media. This not only helps with SEO, but also with viewer retention. Engagement metrics are also critical. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. High engagement signals to YouTube that your content is valuable. This can improve your video's ranking and increase its visibility. Section 4. Advanced SEO Strategies, Engagement Metrics and Analytics. Engagement metrics play a crucial role in YouTube SEO. These include likes, comments, shares, and watch time. The more engaged your audience, the better your video will perform. Encourage viewers to interact with your content. Use YouTube Analytics to track your performance. These metrics provide insights into what's working and what needs improvement. Use this data to refine your strategy. It also signals to YouTube that your channel is active and engaging. Regular uploads can improve your channel's performance. Create a content calendar and stick to it. Section 5. Continuous Learning and Adaptation in YouTube SEO. The world of YouTube SEO is always changing. New trends and algorithms mean you need to stay informed. Follow industry blogs, join forums, and participate in webinars. Continuous learning ensures you're using the most effective strategies. Experimentation is also important. Try different types of content and see what resonates with your audience. Test new keywords, titles, and thumbnails. Analyze the results and adjust your approach accordingly. This iterative process can lead to significant improvements over time. Engage with your community. Listen to their feedback and make changes based on their suggestions. A responsive creator builds a loyal audience. This can boost engagement metrics and improve your SEO. Don't be afraid to seek help. There are many experts and agencies that specialize in YouTube SEO. Investing in professional advice can save you time and accelerate your growth. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and persistence are crucial. Section 6. Conclusion: the ever-evolving landscape of YouTube SEO. Mastering YouTube SEO is a journey. It involves a mix of basic and advanced techniques. From researching keywords to analyzing engagement metrics, every step is important. The key is to stay informed and adaptable. The benefits of effective SEO are immense. It can lead to increased visibility, higher engagement, and a loyal audience. For creators, this means more opportunities for growth and success. The effort you put into SEO is well worth the rewards. Remember, the landscape of YouTube is always evolving. What works today might not work tomorrow. Continuous learning and adaptation are essential. Stay updated with the latest trends and be ready to adjust your strategies. In conclusion, YouTube SEO is a powerful tool for creators. It requires dedication and continuous effort. By mastering SEO, you can take your channel to new heights, embrace the journey, and enjoy the process of growing your YouTube presence.